If you've recently gone through security checks on your Amazon Prime account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to regain your privileges. Step 1. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Verify your identity. Once logged in, you may be prompted to verify your identity. This could involve receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Follow the instructions to enter the code and confirm your identity. Step 3. Review security settings. After verification, navigate to the Your Account section. Check your security settings, including your password, two-factor authentication, and any recent activity that may have triggered the security checks. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you still cannot access your account fully, reach out to Amazon customer support. Use the help section on the website to find the appropriate contact method, whether it's chat, email, or phone support. Step 5. Follow up on security alerts. After regaining access, check for any security alerts or notifications in your account. Make sure to address any issues or recommendations provided by Amazon to prevent future access problems. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Amazon Prime account. If issues persist, continue to work with customer support for further assistance.